Greetings to all the candidates. We are back live and we are back with the quantitative part of the exam. Now today we will cover the topics of progressions, right, or series, right, sequences and series mainly. Sequences and series. It appears a very relatively simple topic, but we have to put a lot of effort in it because it is one of those exams which are readily tested in the aptitude test, right? And it has a lot of variation. The questions have a lot of variations. First of all, let's begin. When I say a sequence, right, what do you get by a sequence, right? Sequence means any particular pattern that has been followed, right? Right. Similarly, a series is like this. It's more like a pattern, right? Each number is following a complete pattern. For example, consecutive numbers, right? So they have a difference of 1. These are consecutive numbers, right? Even numbers, difference of 2, right? Even odd numbers, right? Difference of 2. Okay. So now when we talk about series, there are some notation that you have to look for. Right? For example, this notation represents the term n, right? Term n value you can say. For example, if I say that a6 is equals to 51, it means this donation means that the value of sixth term in the series is 51, right? Similarly, if I say in continuation to it, if I say that Sn, right? So Sn represents the sum of series generally, but in the exams it can vary to a lot of denotions, right? So it's not necessary that Sn will typically represent the sum, right? In the series, if they say that, for example, Sn is represents, find the value of Sn, right? So you have to be innovative enough and you have to be clever enough to be able to understand that what the question is asking, and you should be able to comprehend rather than being stuck with what you have just studied and then trying not to imitate or cross the line. Okay. For example, if we say, right, the question says Sn is equals to 3, just writing it clearly. So if it says that Sn is equals to 3 Sn minus 1 plus 1. So we will cover it in the next unit that what this notation represents. This is the end of this session.